Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update the Vizio firmware and connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. Once done, put the TV into screen mirroring or smart cast mode using the input or APP button. Next, on your phone or tablet, open the cast or screen mirroring setting and scan for devices. Make sure you pick the exact Vizio model name shown on screen. This initial handshake starts the connection. If the TV asks to allow device access, accept it to continue. Once your device finds the TV and you accept pairing prompts, the data stream begins and the TV should mirror your screen. If available, adjust resolution and audio output in the casting device to match the TV. Select 1080p or the closest option to avoid scaling. Choose the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for lower latency and smoother video. Make sure to close any heavy background apps that hog bandwidth. If you need to stop, use the device's cast control to disconnect cleanly, then resume to complete your session. Stop casting from your phone or tablet or press input on the Vizio remote to exit Smart Cast. If the stream won't start or you get a blank screen, reboot both the TV and your device, then confirm they are on the same network and the TV firmware is current. If audio is out of sync, change the audio output to the TV in your device settings or try a wired HDMI adapter as a fallback. Remember, rebooting often clears temporary network or handshake errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.